everyone, welcome back to the Cocktail Kitchen. It's me, your lesbian cocktail enthusiast Sam Merlot from True Blood. Just kidding, my name's Kate McCabe, and we're gonna make another cocktail today. This is gonna be a Lemondrop, another classic, easy to make cocktail where if you don't have these ingredients in your bar or your liquor cabinet yet, you should get them because they're good to have for a lot of different drinks. Now, this is going to be a vodka-based cocktail. You can use a citrus vodka in this one. I would encourage it. It doesn't have to be Absolute, it can be other citrus vodka. If you don't have a citrus vodka, a regular vodka will do. But if you do have a citrus vodka, use it. Why the hell else do you have it in your house if not for a Lemondrop? So this is also a drink that can benefit from having a rimmed glass. We're going to start by taking care of that first. I've just taken a lime slice. I'm using a lime slice instead of a lemon slice, not because that's what the recipe calls for, but because literally I had a wedge of lime on the thing. The purpose of using a fruit slice anyway isn't necessarily for the flavor. It is just, so I've just sliced a bit into this wedge so that it sort of has a place that it can meet the glass. It's only to get the edge sticky. The little bit of citrus that comes out of this lime slice is going to be making that rim sticky. We all love a sticky rim. Now I've put some just plain granulated sugar onto this plate, and all I'm going to do is roll the rim of that glass around into the sugar. And the sugar should be sticking because that rim is very sticky and helping us make that gorgeous. So there is a sort of aesthetic appeal to rimming a glass, but it's also done when the drink might be a little bit bitter or acidic on its own. I often have a Lemondrop without rimming the glass because I'm a grown-up, but sneakily, I do enjoy a rimmed glass as much as the next gal. Anyway, so that is rimmed for our pleasure now, and we're gonna take 1 shot of the citrus vodka. This is essentially a 3-shot drink. When I say shot, I mean 30 mils. So, first shot, 30 mils of our citrus vodka, blub, blub, blub. On top of ice, I already have ice in my shaker. We are going to take 1 shot of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Blub, blub, blub. Lovely stuff. We are taking half of a shot of cointreau. If you don't have cointreau, triple sec, any brand of triple sec, and or even Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is a little fancy for a Lemondrop, but it would taste delightful. Nice thick syrup is that Grand Marnier as well. So this is a half a shot of cointreau and a half a shot of sugar syrup, which, as you will know from the other cocktail tutorial, is just half hot water and half sugar. So now that drink has lots of citrus in it, not the vodka. We're gonna shake it to hell and back. Here we go. Quarantine! We're coming into a holiday weekend, 3-day weekend. So I hope you have these ingredients around your house. You can enjoy this beverage all weekend long. If you don't, grocery stores will have these ones. These are easy to find. Additionally, if you don't do that, order from a liquor store. Liquor stores are delivering. You don't even have to step out of your house. Anywho, essential workers, liquor store delivery people, essential, 100% during these times. Rimmed glass, icy cold Lemondrop. No garnish required in this one. It's already got a rimmed glass. That's enough. What else do you want? Fake eyelashes? It looks gorgeous. And when you say it, you can say it like Beastie Boys. Lemondrop! Anyway, cheers everyone. Hope you're staying healthy and sane.